Guys, today is like February 23rd, 2026. So I have this feeling that's telling me like you are pregnant, but I'm not 100% sure because حنون يريري سندري مايا. And like I said, today is February 23rd, 2026. And it's actually the the 6th month اللي had, or the 6th day of Ramadan. So basically month اللي had Ramadan كواهي. Alhamdulillah, وإنها قريبة. So I'm shaking. Haduu Leeyahay ka dhigo, I won't post it right away. I will post it like a couple months later. But haduu Leeyahay ka dhigina, I'll probably post it right away. So let's start to next. Then sidaan u eg tahay intay ku xareysan tahay. So hadeertaan aan furfuro waa suubinaa waa ila arkaysiin. Waxay isoo qorto aniga waa ku qanacsan. Alhamdulillahi rabbil caalamiin. So sida u jeediin, I'm shaking. I don't know what it's gonna say, but I'm gonna see. I know I'm late. Like, in it's Abdullah Jimada, I am late. Because no. My period is coming on Friday. So like I feel like today in a late time. Not Friday, actually Saturday the Imanisa, and I feel like in a late time because today is Monday. So I don't know in a room to show you any color, but I will see. Oh my god, bismillah. I don't want to look, wallahi, I swear. It says not pregnant. Guys, urumalihi. But I won't post it right away because like I said, subtida imanaysa. So ina suga waayo waqti aan nafsadeeda siiyo. Hadaa iska waayo, markas ka bacdi ayaa idin soo gelinaya. So it's saying that not pregnant. Alhamdulillah though. At least I try and see what it's kufiri. Alhamdulillah.